Today we are talking about Ttoo Biosystems, ticker TTOO. Is at 28 cents at the time of this video. It's up around 10% here. And I do think we are seeing some positive price action because there was that shareholder meeting this morning. And obviously a lot of things kind of transpired in that shareholder meeting. But overall, from what I took from it, to me, in my opinion, is some good news here. So 28 cents is up around 10%, like I said. As far as the trading volume goes, we are seeing an uptick in trading volume as far as what we had seen this trading week. You can see here Ttoo is trading at 35 million trades here. Actually, let's refresh this. Let's actually refresh this because I don't know. Actually, no, we'll be fine. Let's just go back here. So 53 million trading volume currently for Ttoo Biosystems. I'm just gonna go over a few things in regards to TTOO stock. Again, I remain bullish, and full transparency, I do have a position in this stock. So let's not waste any time, you guys. Let's just get right into it. Again, this is also not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. But shout out to Taylor923 on Twitter, you guys. If you are bullish or you are a holder of TTOO stock, I recommend following them on Twitter. Great resource as far as just giving their opinion. Obviously, they're bullish, but giving their opinion and the information that they give, right, is pretty valid. And I've talked about it before in other videos that it's important to understand that anything you read on a specific stock, whether it be even this YouTube video, on Twitter, on StockTwits, wherever it may be, 90% of the time it's someone's opinion. So it's important to create your own opinion by doing your own due diligence on any stock, especially one that could remain volatile, that is trading at under $1. But you can see here TTOO, as predicted by investors here, reverse split was approved but not executed, and management is actively monitoring share price with the anticipation of organic $1 by November deadline with Ttoo Biothreat FDA approval. Don't expect bar to update until FDA announcement, no fear. So again, the reverse split, right, that had been talked about for a while now in regards to Ttoo, it wasn't approved. It was approved. I don't know if you guys heard that right. It was approved, but there was obvious hope that there was going to be some sort of caveat to it, and the caveat is that it's been approved, but they're not going to execute it up until the November 20th deadline, which is essentially the deadline they have to get back above $1. And the CEO talked about his confidence kind of in being able to reach $1 for 10 consecutive days by November 20th. You can see here GWay 0524 talks about this here on Twitter. But November 20th, we're talking about 2 months from now at the time of this video. It seems like ample time, right? And I definitely think, like I've been alluding to, if that FDA clearance is announced and just we get that imminent FDA news, positive news, I think without question we can see Ttoo get back up above $1 organically without sort of any reverse split, and that's the hope that the CEO and the board members are hoping for as well here. You can see here this tweet as well. Reverse split was approved as expected, but John Spurzl, our CEO, still stands on his belief of reaching compliance organically. That's kind of similar to how I'm feeling currently, right? With TTOO, I feel even more confident in the long-term potential of stock. With the CEO, the CEO could easily, CEO and the board members could have easily approved the reverse split and executed it today or Monday, whatever it may be. And then a lot of things would have changed, and the projection of this stock would have changed here, in my opinion. But for them to remain confident that they can get TTOO stock back above $1 organically, I really think speaks volumes to how the CEO feels about his stock and his company, and where he can see the overall potential for this stock headed. And then also here a StockTwits post. It's like one of the most popular posts on StockTwits today in regards to TTOO. This is the Titan Traders on StockTwits. 2 things I took away from the investors conference this morning. 1, the CEO specifically said the price can likely climb over $1 a share organically, meaning the FDA approval will push it up higher than the reverse split would, making it NASDAQ eligible. We have imminent FDA news coming. The confidence the CEO spoke with was a breath of fresh air. And that just, again, reiterates what I just said about the CEO having enough confidence to obviously approve the reverse split if worst case scenario happens, November 20th comes and it can't get back up above $1. But if he's saying, the CEO said the price can most likely climb above $1 share organically, he believes that with the FDA approval, and he probably is anticipating an FDA approval happening, that it would push the price higher than the reverse split would, right? So just take that in, guys. I mean, I think it has to be a bullish outcome from the meeting till now, you have to continue to have a bullish outlook if you were bullish already. Obviously, there's going to be the fudders that are going to come and say, et cetera, about T2. But for me, in my opinion here, I do remain bullish. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about TTOO stock. Drop a like on this video, guys. Hit that subscribe button. And as always, have a great day.